Hey guys, wonderful. Tim here, and I'm with the amazing Kim Vermaak, Dina Cramer, and Ellie Jarvis, and we are going to be joining you live over Zoom on Thursday the 30th at 7 p.m. South Africa time, which is 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time if you are all the way in Canada like Ellie is. So we're just here to share with you some really exciting things that we've got cracking and going for you on Thursday. So Kim, who are you? Why are you here?
Hi there, Tim. Thank you so much for having me. So people call me the mindset whisperer, and it's because I really understand those little voices that happen inside your head that stop you from leaving a legacy and from fulfilling your dreams.
I hope you don't go and read my mind and this mind whispering thing of yours, but I'm super keen to hear about your strategy for helping people create a legacy next year. Dina, where do you fit into this whole 2024 thing?
So thanks, Tim. I am on a journey to be myself for a living, and I want to help other people to do that. I think we are put on this planet for a reason, to be our true, authentic selves, and just to help myself and other people journey to find that and how to be really and truly abundant and live life to the fullest by being yourself.
Wow. Okay. Now there's some serious topics in there that we're going to pull apart. The whole law of attraction, the bringing in manifestation and abundance and being self. Now Ellie's all about being self as well. He focuses on self. So Ellie, what are we going to bring forward on Thursday to really make it impactful for people so they can take something really meaty away to end 2023 off on a high note? What do you think?
Absolutely, Tim. So Ellie Javits here from Toronto. I'm so grateful to join these amazing people. We're going to be talking more of how to practically use what it is that we've been learning, what it is that we've been studying and things like that. Not just us, but the people that have been joining us. You know, we did a lot of work on mindset and a lot of ideas that have been shared through an amazing speakers. But the beauty of what we're going to do this Thursday is we're going to give you practical tools and show you how it worked in our own life.
Yeah.
Right. Like how this information actually impacted myself and how am I working on my mindset, not just knowing about this information, but how am I using it on a daily basis for myself, for my loved ones, for my family, my clients, and really put it to use.
Perfect. Perfect. Love that. So if you want to find out more about how to put to use all these lessons you've been learning, what you've learned in the past year, a bit of reflection, but only a small one because we want to look forward, then join myself, Tim Wagner, Ellie Jarvis, Dina Cramer, and Kim Vermaak on Thursday at 8 p.m. No, it's not. If you're 8 p.m., it means you're late. 7 p.m. South Africa time, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We look forward to seeing you all then. Thanks a lot. Love it.